In the vast expanse of space, a single image holds the key to untold stories. Imagine unlocking the secrets of the universe from a solitary frame, transforming it into an epic narrative that transcends time and space.
Hello and welcome back. Today we are unlocking the power of HyperAI, the best free generative video AI tool I have found, giving you a sneak peek into the future of storytelling. And because every tool can take you only so far as your story allows, I've got you covered with my storyteller checklist to create storytelling magic every single time, which awaits in the bonus section, so stay tuned. This transformative tutorial on HyperAI, a tool that's changing the game in AI video creation for free, reminds us of something like an alpha version of the revolutionary Sora. Ready to see how your stories can come to life with this new piece of tech? Then you are exactly where you need to be. Let's dive right in. Our journey begins by crafting foundational shots in Midjourney, or selecting evocative stock images that convey the scene we envision. So it's up to us where to start. This crucial step lays the groundwork for our narrative. For our example, I've chosen this sci-fi image, which I created earlier in Midjourney. The quality of photorealism is absolutely mind-blowing. To ensure our visuals are absolutely captivating, we'll need enough resolution. While this step is optional, I highly encourage you to work with twice the resolution you are planning to publish at. It preserves maximum quality and is common practice in visual effects. After checking the results, I created an almost 6K image from the original 3K using Topaz Photo AI. Let's go ahead and export the image for retouching in Photoshop. I played around with a couple of shots, and in one of them I removed a person which could potentially introduce hiccups when animated in HyperAI, especially if walking is part of the shot. I export the image from Photoshop as a JPEG because TIFF or RAW formats are not currently supported by HyperAI. With our image ready, we move to HyperAI to animate our stills. Watch as I walk you through the process, turning images into engaging videos. Here in HyperAI, we go ahead and choose Animate Your Image, where I upload my photo. Now we prompt Hyper to do what we have envisioned. In my case, I said spaceship ready for takeoff. Now you can choose between 2 or 4 seconds for the clip. And because it's free, the media is by default public. However, you can deactivate the setting if you prefer. To create the image, it takes a few minutes, but I sped up the process to focus on the result. And Hyper created our first animated shot. Here are the 2 looped versions. Are they perfect? Definitely not. But this whole process saves us a ton of time compared to creating a matte painting for the background, making a 3D model including textures for the spaceship, and then compositing it into the plate with realistic lighting and color. Instead, we are already 70% there within minutes and just need to fix the issues to make it a believable shot. The fact that these tools enable a one-man band to create a sci-fi short is pretty incredible, isn't it? If you'd like to see how I created a complete short film using just stock footage before AI was on the horizon, check out my film Transformation. Because HyperAI gives us just a low resolution output of 720p, I'm going to upscale our shot using Topaz Video AI, ensuring that every detail shines in 4K quality. When working on a 1080p timeline, we can then utilize digital effects like zoom-ins and pans without losing quality. Here you can see the original resolution of 720p alongside the 4K upscaled result. The final touches are made in the editing app of your choice. In my case, it's Premiere Pro, where I will edit our video to blend the shot seamlessly, ensuring it tells our story just the way we've envisioned it. I incorporate atmospheric dynamics to match the environment with the mood we aim to convey, while fine-tuning color grading for a cohesive visual narrative. Let's make some quick and dirty adjustments to get the idea across. I'm going to stack 4 atmospheric layers on top of each other to create variety and depth, emphasizing the cold environment. I scaled the layers to fit the scene. Each layer was shot against a black background, so I switched the blending mode of the layers to screen. Then I add adjustment layers and adjust the color with the Lumetri color effect. As I've mentioned before, walking people pose a challenge. Of course, if we wanted to use this shot for a cinematic project, we would need to fix several things, including the walking person. But for this quick demo, we are good. And there you have it. We've animated a sci-fi shot in no time. Now that you know the workflow, start building a complete scene according to the story you want to tell. Check out my free storyteller checklist in the bonus section to make it even easier for you to build your stories. For the atmospheric effects, I used my library from Action VFX. You can find the link in the description below. I started with a few assets and have now built a huge library over the course of 1 year. Every download asset is yours forever, and the license includes full commercial rights. The high quality effects are mostly shot on RED cameras and are made to meet the highest standards in professional filmmaking. The website offers an amazing variety of effects, and they have recently included even 3D assets. Use the link below to try out their free VFX practice footage and get a feel for what they have to offer. Now I'll hand it over to Sam for the rapid fire Q&A.
Hyper AI stands out for its simplicity and efficiency, turning stills into motion while being free as of right now. Absolutely, using your own images not only adds a personal touch, but ensures your video tells your unique story. Topaz Photo AI enhances clarity, details, and overall image quality, making them more suitable for cinematic video creation. 4K resolution adds unparalleled depth and clarity, elevating the professionalism and viewer engagement of your videos. It's especially useful for additional effects like panning and zooming in when your publishing format is 1080p. While there's a bit to learn, the storyteller checklist we've crafted makes it easy to master these tools for impactful storytelling. Now back to Tom for his free storyteller checklist bonus.
As promised, let's unveil the storyteller checklist. This is your guide to weaving compelling narratives, not only with AI video, but also through traditional storytelling techniques, ensuring your stories not only captivate, but resonate. Don't miss out on these essential storytelling tips and techniques. Grab the free link in the description below. If this episode has sparked your creative fire, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials filled with tips, tricks, and insight into the world of AI-powered story creation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.